Hey folks, my name is Freddy, and in this video we're taking a closer look at the remote tester from Obdstar RT100. And what we're going to do today is to try this out with a few different keys. Smart ones, regular remote ones, and IR keys, for example. So, is this product really worth $20 US? Stick around, learn more. To get the basics first, this remote tester works on frequencies from 300 MHz to 868 MHz. It works on infrared keys and devices as well. It has a 9-volt battery included, and it's operated with only one button. To start testing out your key, you simply press the start button and the power LED lights up. It will shut itself down after about 30 seconds. As you can hear, I have some minor interference with the signal nearby, but we can perform our tests anyway properly. When the tester is fired up, you can test any button you like, and the signal the key transmits detects by the tester. On each frequency there is a color LED that shows if you're pressing a button or not. This could come in handy in fault finding, and the most importantly, it can save valuable time. When it comes to smart keys like this one from a BMW F90, the tester does pick up the signal, but it doesn't behave as good as it does on the older keys. That is simply because of the function of the key itself. You can still try it out with the tester though. On infrared keys, you need to keep the button pressed down a little while and point it to the tester. And it works on other IR devices as well, such as remote controls. So if it works as an infrared tester, it should be able to test parking sensors as well, right? Now we'll try this out. Start and hold it in the direction of the PDC sensor. And it's working. To summarize all of this, is it a good value? For the price of $20 US, I think so. This can really be a time saver in the workshop, and even if you have great diagnostic programs that maybe can solve these questions for you, this is much easier and quicker to use than firing up your tablet or your computer. So, in my case, I'm keeping this. If you enjoy this video, hit that like button, and if you're into more car tools, repairs, DIY project with me, you should consider subscribing. Now go to your garage or your workshop and make an impact.